History students, and welcome to the recording of the Week 11 quiz, which is due on April 12th. This quiz has 8 questions, and it is a total of 18 points. The first one is a matching question. You want to match the term to the description and the definition. The description or the definition is here on the right-hand side: kamikaze pilots, conscientious objectors, anti-Semitism, and internment camps are your options 1 through 4. The descriptions are, the first one here, the moral or religious objection to war and direct participation in it, racist beliefs and attitudes towards Jews. The third one is location centers where Japanese Americans and non-citizen family members were detained due to fear that they would aid Japan after the bombing of Pearl Harbor. And the last description is members of the Japanese Air Force that flew suicide missions into targets of the enemy, causing the plane to explode and become a sort of missile. Question number 2, which of the following was not a way World War II was seen as more difficult to fight than previous wars? A, soldiers did not have a clear sense of the purpose of the war and found it morally difficult to defend their actions. B, the use of larger weapons in battle meant smaller battle units to cover larger areas, leaving troops without social support from a larger group of men fighting together. C, the use of airplanes and submarines increased the risk of attack from a greater distance. D, battle fatigue often caused soldiers to be removed from battle. So we're looking for which one was not a way World War II was seen as more difficult to fight in than previous wars. Question number 3, D-Day, June 6, 1944, began the final drive of World War II in the European theater. What event does D-Day refer to? A, the Allied invasion of Normandy, France. B, the Battle of Dakar. C, the bombing of Stalingrad, Russia. Or D, the Battle of the Bulge. Number 4, which of the following best describes the Allied strategy in the Pacific? A, direct military invasion of the Japanese mainland. B, a large land assault of the Italian peninsula. C, negotiate with Japan for peace. Or D, progressing towards Japan by attempting to take military control of one Pacific island at a time. Question number 5, what was Hitler's final solution? A, creating a jobs program to ensure every German had work. B, the systematic murder of people seen as undesirable to the Nazi government through death camps. C, the Blitzkrieg, which was a lightning-fast attack by German military forces. Or D, the book Hitler wrote in prison outlining his plan for Germany. Number 6, what was Harry Truman's justification for the use of the atomic bomb to end World War II? A, the U.S. wanted Japan to suffer for attacking Pearl Harbor. B, the U.S. wanted to brag to the world about our new powerful weapons. C, we wanted to destroy Japan's atomic weapons facility. Or D, the U.S. wanted to end the war with fewer U.S. and Japanese casualties. Number 7, what major economic effect did World War II have on the United States? A, it caused a severe recession due to the reduced international trade. B, it led to massive inflation due to excessive government spending. C, it triggered a period of rapid industrial expansion and increased employment opportunities. Or D, it resulted in widespread poverty and unemployment due to war expenses. Question number 8, which of the following best describes the impact of World War II on America's approach to foreign policy? A, it helped to reinforce the commitment to isolationism. B, the U.S. refused to become part of the United Nations. C, prompted a shift towards internationalism and active engagement in global affairs. D, it caused the U.S. government to dismantle all their military alliances with foreign countries. When done with your quiz, make sure to submit quiz so that your quiz shows up in the grade book for you, and it should automatically grade for you. Good luck on your quiz.